पैसा कमाना है. Money has become the center point for so many of us. Was there a point where you cared about money, and or do you still care, or what is the relationship with money?
Money is an important part of life, but at what price? So money also, it has an impact. So we all want to make money. So for some of us, we may think, I want to earn money because I want to make the life of my parents comfortable. For some, they may think, for the siblings. For some, I want to make money because I want to make it comfortable for my children. So till the perspective is like that and the way you make the money is right, now I don't have any problem with it, because different people get motivated with different things. So some may say, I have a car that costs 10 rupees, but I want to upgrade to 25 rupees. There's no harm in that. It's how you want to make that money. Second is, look to add money. Don't look to multiply money. Whenever there's multiplication, there's always a problem. So try to add, if it's changing you as a human, then it's not worth it.
Influencers, सुन रहे हो?
यहाँ स्टॉक वाले भी है ना? स्टॉक वाले कौन है?
रेवेन्यू बढ़ाओ, मल्टीपल
नहीं, सारे ने पुट डाल के बैठे हैं, सारे हंस रहे हैं. हमारा पोर्टफोलियो 2 दिन में 8% नीचे चला गया, ये खुश है. And they are the best, I watch them on television since I have a few stocks and everything. जितनी जल्दी ये पलटी होते उतनी जल्दी तो हम पलटी नहीं होते हैं. कि अब ये जो है ना निफ्टी साहब, निफ्टी को तो यहाँ जाना ही है, 19,300 ये ब्रेक नहीं करेगा, ऐसा वैसा. अगले दिन ये वापस आए हैं, हम 18,800 पे बैठे हुए हैं. दे जस्ट, अब तो ये नीचे जाने वाला है जी. It doesn't have a bottom anymore. So yeah, but it's interesting, but like nowadays it's very important for you guys to educate, the newer, I would say the newer generation, because they want to invest in stocks. What is the right way to do it? Again, don't look to multiply. Multiplication karoge to problem hoga. And interestingly now all the business channels you keep saying, 95% of the FNO people, they undergo loss. But still people invest.
Still people do it. That's true.